Here he is, after his first real shower, in the shower with me. Yeah. Oh, it's a wet, fluffy bird. He wasn't thrilled to bits about the shower, but he wasn't freaked out either. As long as his face didn't get showered on, he was okay with it. But he's taking out all his frustration now on everything and sundry. Just not us. Isn't that right, sweetie pie? Yes. What a cutie pie. Yes, you are. You're a cutie pie.
It's a little bit like Sam the Eagle right now.
Oh, yeah. I don't think you can break that weld very easily. I don't think you're that strong. I think it'll be a little while getting dry. Yes, you will. Yeah. Good thing we put up that plastic, eh?
Stretch.
Wet bird. At least he doesn't smell like a wet bird. Doesn't smell like anything. Is that right? Yes, that's right. Pretty bird.
That vet wrap is really tough stuff.
Yes, it is. Needs to be. Okay, I think that's enough for now.